What's up, broskies? Welcome back to another video. Broskies, look who's finally here. Baby girl is back with daddy. I gave her a wash yesterday. Remember Harvey was making a wing for it? I tried removing most of the glue, most of the tape. I think I'm just gonna repaint the whole car, broskies. Right now I'm gonna go with my neighbor Ulysses, the guy with the little Civic, and I got my engine hoist. I'm gonna help him pull out an engine from his Integra. After we're done helping him out, we're gonna take a ride to David's garage and get new tires for the 350Z. I also want to give you guys a big thank you for commenting on my last video, wishing me a happy birthday, and also on my Instagram. So if you're not following it, go follow me now. I didn't even strap down the hoist. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. Luckily we're only going down the street. Alright, broskies, the motor's out. Alright, broski, so we just finished dropping the B20 motor from the Integra. Let's head out to my boy David's and get some tires installed on this bad boy. Broskis, check out my new steering wheel. I just installed it yesterday. Well, I've had it for a couple years. I actually have two Nardis, and last night I decided to slap it on for them daily drives. I kind of like it. It's bigger than my USPL one. So, what do you guys think?
Perfect.
We got the meats now. Shout out to compa David. Alright, broski, so I got a little homie's 350Z in the house. We're going to be installing the ASD hydro. Let me get some light for you guys. Dope. Alright, broski, so it's the next day. I'm gonna put the car on jack stands and we're finally gonna fix that exhaust leak. I believe it's one of the test pipes that is causing the exhaust leak, and I got new ones already. I've been having them for a while, but I guess today's finally the day that we're gonna get them installed and get rid of that exhaust leak. Nasty. Alright, broski, so I was getting ready to take off the test pipes. Look who finally showed up.
What's up, broskies? Long time no see.
Look what he showed up in with. Oh, perro! Showed up with the Tesla. Hey, wait, you gonna let me drive it or okay?
Possibly.
A ver.
Drive it, güey?
¿Ah?
Drive it?
A ver. A ver si no lo choco a la verga. Low key.
It's $100,000 car, güey.
Hey, wait, my fucking Z's worth more than this shit. Es más, wait, my trailer's worth more than this shit. Oh, perro. Hold on, hold on. Oh. Is it on or okay? It's on?
Yeah, you just press brake and then up is reverse, down it's drive, then park you just push it.
So up is...
Reverse?
That's reverse?
No, up is reverse.
Where? Oh, ya lo vi. I'm on D already.
Yeah.
Alright, hold the camera. How much is one of these, güey?
Out the dealer, it's like, with tax, everything is like 90, 96.
Hey, wait. This shit feels like a fucking golf cart, güey. Alright, I'm gonna do a pull. Go for it. Oh! Ay, güey! Holy shit! That shit's sick, güey. That shit, you can feel the fucking pull, güey. Holy fuck. Got tu madre, güey. Instant torque. Si quema o no quema, güey. Can we do donuts in this shit or no?
No, they do make them rear wheel drive though.
Oh, this one's all-wheel drive, okay.
Yeah, and this one's all wheel drive.
Paint you a quick little pull. Alright, we're doing... Got tu madre, güey! Holy fuck! Ah! Holy shit! Si jala esta madre, güey. It just feels weird, no, when you're like braking. Yeah. Fuck. Verga. No handbrake?
No.
What's the fucking... What kind of Tesla is it, güey?
Model S.
Is that like the cheapest one? Okay,
No, it's like the second expensive one.
Oh, yeah? Verga. That pull didn't feel that good.
Because you're on the uphill, probably.
There she is. She was pretty cool. Pretty cool experience. That shit pulls away. Alright, let's do my test pipes way. It's getting late. Old versus new. Alright, both test pipes are on. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Alright, broskies, it's the next day. But before we close out today's video, we're gonna go for a little ride and test out the test pipes. Alright, broski, so I just picked up this DSLR mount. I'm gonna see if I can mount it on the roll bar and record with my Canon DSLR. So let's test it out. I would usually use the GoPro mount, but I don't know, when I record with the GoPro you guys can't see what's ahead of me. So hopefully with this camera you guys would be able to see where I'm driving to and shit like that. Alright, broski, so I have the camera all mounted up. We'll see que pedo. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. If it falls off, then my bad, broskis, for dropping you guys. Hopefully the camera's not too shaky. Hopefully I don't drop this soda. put it right here or should I put it in the seat? What do you guys think, broskies? Okay, I'm gonna put it in the seats. In case I do drop it. My seats are leather, so I can just wipe it off. Y listo. I'm gonna have to drive really, really slow right now. So I was gonna get a coffee, but I was like, fuck, what if I spill it, you know? So I ended up getting soda instead. Órale, hijo de tu p***. If you guys enjoy the way I recorded these videos, a little bit of something every day, please drop a like. Let me know down in the comments if you guys loved it. And other than that, if you guys are new, subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.